So good morning friends. In the last lecture we had seen the parallel reaction and the consecutive reaction. In this lecture I am taking numericals, some 2 or 3 or more numericals, okay, regarding the parallel reaction, right. I just tell you the numerical. The decomposition of A is taking place as, that means A is a decomposed question, right. A decomposes as, right, in parallel reaction gives in such way that A decomposes to B, at the same time A decomposes to C, right, with the rate constant K1 is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3, 2 into 10 raised to 3 per second, while the rate constant for the second reaction K2, which is equal to 1 into 10 raised to 3, right, 1 into 10 raised to 3 per second, here 2B. Okay. The rate of appearance of a B taking 2 molar concentration of A at any time t is equal to, what you want to find, the rate of appearance of B taking 2 molar concentration of A at any time t is equal to, that means you want to find rate of appearance of B, right. So how you form, okay, how you find, okay, first observe the given data, right. This is given and one again thing is given, concentration of A, initial concentration, right, 2 mole, okay, you can say that concentration of A is equal to 2 mole, right. So we want to find the rate of appearance of B. So I am writing here rate of appearance of B, right. So rate of appearance of B can be given as, okay, just observe this reaction. Here rate of appearance for B is given or find by this first reaction, okay. A gives 2 moles of B with the rate constant K1, okay. So I can write here rate of appearance of B, okay. If you think this reaction, right, I can write rate as minus dA upon dt, which is equal to 1 upon 2 into dB upon dt, right, which is equal to 1 upon 2 dB upon dt, right. So rate of decomposition of A with time is equal to 1 by 2 dB upon dt, okay. So I can write this equation as, okay, first if you find the rate of decomposition of A, so rate of decomposition of A can be find as a rate of decomposition of A, which is equal to minus dA upon dt, which is equal to K1 into A, right. If you not able to observe this, I write here, but, okay, rate of decomposition of A, okay, which is equal to minus dA upon dt, which is equal to, okay, K1 into A, right, K1 into A, because this is the rate of decomposition of A. So equate these two equations, rate of decomposition of A is equal to 1 by 2 into rate of appearance of B. So we can write this as, therefore, okay, minus dA upon dt, which is equal to 1 by 2 into dB upon dt, which is equal to K1 into A. So all the things we have, right, all the things we have, which one we have, K1 2 into 10 raised to 3, A, initial concentration of A is equal to 2 mole, therefore I can write here 1 by 2 rate of appearance of B, which is equal to K1 2 into 10 raised to 3 into 2, right, which is equal to dB upon dt, here 2 is a divide, multiply, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 into 10 raised to 3 per second, this is the rate of appearance of B, right, which is equal to 8 into 10 raised to 3 per second, right. This is the answer of first problem. Now question number second or numerical number second. For a parallel reaction, okay, which one parallel reaction? X is decomposed to Y, same time it is converted into Z with the rate constant K1 and K2 respectively, right? The value of K1 is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 4 second. K1 is provided to you 1 into 10 raised to minus 4 per second, while the value of K2 is provided to you, no, value of K2 is not provided to you, they ask, okay, if reaction starts from X, the ratio of concentration of Y at Z at any time during the course of reaction is found to be, okay, the ratio of concentration of Y and Z during the course of reaction is found to be 1/4, then find the value of K2, okay, you want to find the value of K2. So we have this data is provided to you. I told you problem once again. For the decomposition or for the reaction, X gives Y and Z simultaneously, which is a parallel reaction with the rate constant K1 and K2 respectively. The value of K1 is 1 into 10 raised to minus 4 per second. During the course of reaction, the concentration of Y and Z, which are the product, is equal to 1/4. Then find the value of K2. Okay. In previous lecture, we studied regarding this, the ratio of concentration of a product. Okay. Then we have the formula, the ratio of concentration of product during the course of reaction, which is equal to K1. Rate constant is K1, rate constant is K2, therefore K1 upon K2. We have the rate constant, concentration of a product ratio, which is equal to 1/4. Rate constant for first order, first reaction, which is equal to 1 into 10 raised to minus 4 per second, right? And we want to find K2. By cross multiplication, we get K2 into 1 is equal to K2, and 4 into 1, 10 raised to minus 4, which is equal to 4 into 10 raised to minus 4 per second. This is the numerical number second answer. Okay. The rate constant for K2 is equal to like this. Okay. Right. Then question number third or problem number third. Okay. Consider a reaction following two parallel irreversible first order reaction at a temperature T. Right. The reaction is provided to you as P gives Q, which is also gives R. Okay, with the rate constant K1 and K2 respectively. Right. Both the value of K1 and K2 are provided to you. K1 is equal to 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 per second, while K2 is equal to, per minute, okay, while K2 is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 per minute respectively at temperature T, right, at temperature T. If initial concentration of reactant P is equal to 4 mole per liter, concentration of P is equal to 4 mole per liter, right? Then concentration of product R after 10 minutes of reaction is question mark, right? We want to find the concentration of product at concentration of product R after 10 minutes of reaction, right? We already studied all the formulas of this. Okay, so directly we have formula concentration of product R at time T is equal to which one, how much time is it provided to you? 10 minutes. Okay, concentration of product R at time T is equal to 10 minutes is found to be, okay, by using the formula R is equal to T. This is the second product. Okay, so we have the formula, it's a rate constant K2, K2 upon K1 plus K2, right, into initial concentration of reactant P, okay, into the bracket 1 minus e raised to minus K1 plus K2 into time T. This is the formula for determination of concentration of product, okay, at time t, right? Okay, by putting the values, what is the value of K2? K2 is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2, sorry, here 15, okay, 15 into 10 raised to minus 2 divided by 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 plus 15 into 10 raised to minus 2, okay, concentration of P is equal to 4 mole per liter, right, concentration of P is equal to 4 mole per liter. Then 1 minus e raised to minus, right, 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 plus 15 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 10 minute, okay, into 10 minute, okay. How to solve? Okay, you can use a scientific calculator for solving this. Baga, 15 divided by 5 plus 15, 10 raised to minus 2 is a common, 20 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 4, okay, 1 minus 10 raised to minus 2, 10 raised to minus 2 is a common, 5 plus 15 is equal to 20, right, e raised to minus 20 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 10, okay. By solving this all calculations, okay, by solving this all calculation, we have final value, concentration of B at time t is equal to 2.59 mole per liter, okay, 2.59 moles per liter. If you have any problem in the calculation, ask me on WhatsApp, right, I will provide you the whole calculation, okay. Then the next problem is, okay, आपण हे सर्व फॉर्म्युले शिकलेलो आहोत प्रीवियस लेक्चर मध्ये, सो नो नीड टू एक्सप्लेन द फॉर्म्युलाज राइट नाउ, ओके. बघा, a gaseous compound A react by 3 independent first order process, right? बघा, a gaseous compound A react by 3 independent first order process. A gives B, which is also in a gaseous state, gives C, which is also in a gaseous state, gives D, which is also in a gaseous state, with the rate constant K1, K2 and K3 respectively, right? The rate constant value are provided to you. K1 value 2 into 10 raised to minus 3, say per second, right? 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 per second, and 1.93 into 10 raised to minus 3 per second, right? If initially pure A is taken in a closed container with P equal to 8 atm, okay, with pressure P equal to 8 atm, okay, then partial pressure of B in atm after 100 seconds will be, right, T after 100 seconds, okay. Initial concentration or initial pressure of P is provided to you 8 atm, right, and they ask what is the partial pressure of B in atm after 100 seconds, okay, after 100 seconds, okay, after 100 seconds they ask what is the partial pressure of B, okay. By observing this we can say that A with 8 atm pressure in a closed container with the rate constant K1, K2 and K3 respectively to form the product B, C and D in a gaseous state. A is also in a gaseous state, right? Having the rate constant K1 is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3, K2 is equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 and K3 is equal to 1.93 into 10 raised to minus 3 second, right? And after 100 seconds they ask that what is the concentration of B, okay, what is the pressure, partial pressure of B after 100 seconds, right? So we want to find this, Okay, by using the formula we can say that the concentration, okay, the concentration, or you can say that the partial pressure of B after 100 seconds, right, which is equal to K1. How much reactions are there? First, second and third. Therefore, K1 plus K2 plus K3 into initial concentration of A, or you can say that initial pressure of A 0. Okay, pressure आहे म्हणून मी P घेतला होता. You can also say that AP. Okay, 1 minus e raised to minus K1 plus K2 plus K3 into T. Okay, this is about the reaction. Okay, by putting the values we get, what is the value of K1? K1 is equal to 2 into 10 raised to minus 3. What is the value of K2? Here 10 raised to minus 3 taken as a common, therefore 2 plus 3 plus 1.93 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, 8 atm initial pressure of A, which is equal to again 1 minus e raised to minus, again same, 10 raised to minus 3 is a common, 2 plus 3 plus 1.93, 2 plus 3 plus 1.93 into 10 raised to minus 3 into 100 second, which is equal to time. Okay, by solving this you can calculate, okay, by using scientific calculator, final value we have 1.154 atm. Okay, what is the pressure, partial pressure of B after 100 seconds is equal to 1.154 atm. Okay, this is about the problems. These problems are taken from the net set GATE question papers. Okay, this will also ask in a Uni-Pune examinations too. Okay, I think this is sufficient regarding the problem. If you have problem in a calculation during solving, ask me frequently. Okay, I will provide you the whole calculations. Okay, but first you try at your own cost, make your own notes. Okay, and then ask me for the queries. Okay, so thank you all of you.